You know what's happening in the world now, right now? I wasn't happy in the cage fight this week. Or see the kids dying. It doesn't matter whatever in the world, Ukraine and Syria, Afghanistan, Palestine, USA, doesn't matter. When kids die, it's hard, guys. I love the kids. I have a boy. If he's just crying, I know how it feels. And when somebody dies,
well, congratulations on the fantastic performance.
Just say thanks to my country, Chechnya. Allah restul noći masana da si dășu. Allah has purdeș. Wallahi ugar piro se dawo mosigi. Hada yaldu alu su eger so Palestine dawo. Allah restul. Wallahi so khin wat. Hoshoti ki haqchaliyet. Şu noći za wakira dodok. Had par boy fashkhad. Bay adinkat so so purba Allah da. Dawo han liroshkat mosa. Wallahi sagat yashwat say buso bejesh san.